Hello, traders and investors. This is MarketGoodies.com. Today we will be discussing IFRS that is listed on the BBs, OTCs. A couple things about this chart that we're going to note from top to bottom is the relative strength index. Relative strength index has been making higher lows, and that's pretty bullish. It's not overbought, it's not oversold. It's right there in that medium range of 59. As I said, when you see higher lows, that's often a very, very good sign. We want to make sure that this does not get up to here. This would be overbought. And as you can see, this is when it was oversold. Want to keep a close eye on that. We're going to scroll down a little bit. And we're going to see points of resistance and points of support. This particular chart is pretty easy to tell. It broke out a little bit today. It retested a previous high, as you can see right here. So that's going to be our main, well, this particular area actually is going to be our main resistance level. Pretty good day. Closed up over 38%. Can't get that on the big boards, folks. That's why we like to play these. That's why we like to trade these. Um, Bollinger Bands, when it went above the Bollinger Band, of course, it retraced a little bit, caused a nice little breakout. If you look right here, you can see parabolic SARs. When they're over the candle, that's bearish. When they're underneath the candle, that's bullish. Here's something else that's bullish. Notice the volume. Well, actually, we'd have to go back a little bit further. Notice the volume right here. It's one of our key indicators. It shows that there are eyes on the stock. Want to see if there's continuation in the volume. Want to see continuation in price action. As it retraced, that's okay. That's fine. Even a race car needs to slow down for fuel every once in a while. We want to make sure that that holds. We're going to look at our 200-day moving average, which happens to be resistance. That's that red line right here. I know it's a little messed up on the chart, but that is our support line. Want to make sure that that holds. I'm going to draw a straight line like this. Okay. And our other one would be right about here. The reason why I say that was because it was a previous resistance level. Scroll down a little bit further. We're going to be using our 50-day moving average too as well. Notice 50-day moving average plus this prior resistance. That's going to be our main support line. Again, we are not financial advisors at marketgoodies.com. We remind you to do your own research and due diligence. This is a non-compensated video chart. Please use your own research. Thank you. Have a great day.